Here I have DJI OSMO ACTION, and today I'm going to show you how to edit quick switch options on this device. So as you can see, if you press this quick switch button, you can switch different modes, but you can also edit the order of these modes, or which modes you will have and which you don't have, by tapping here. And here you can just enable or disable these modes. You can also do it by just go into settings, and here you have quick switch, and here you can also edit these things. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.